welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my own brow lamination. So I did get a brow lamination kit online. I've used this kit once before. Before that, I did actually get my brows professionally laminated. I don't actually recommend doing this at home. I actually recommend going to a professional if you are looking to get your brows laminated. But for entertainment purposes, I will be doing my own brow lamination because we are still in quarantine. If you do live in Hawaii, I recommend going to my friend. Her name on Instagram, I believe, is still Brow Love by KD. This is her card. Focus. Yes, so this is her business card. Her name is Katie Drussin. So if you are looking to get your brows tinted, microbladed, or even laminated, go to her. Go to Katie. She's amazing. Without further ado, let's start this video. So these products right here came in the brow lamination kit. So the first step is actually to put Vaseline around the brow area, and I'm going to do that right now. Putting the Vaseline around your eyebrow is very important because I actually did my cousin's brow lamination once and I forgot this step. She said her skin was burning and I felt so bad because I was like, wait, I think I missed this step. And I did, it was this part. Girl, I feel so bad for her. She said it was burning. Okay, so the next step is actually the brow glue. So this is the brow glue. So with this one, you're actually just gonna lay your brows how you want it to stand. Just gonna go upwards. This product actually feels really nice on the skin, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's sticky, but it's like a good kind of sticky. And wait. The brow kit is so vague. I just have to like wing it. But I'm going with the brow glue right now. I'm just laying it down. Now that I got a good amount of brow glue on my brows, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb them upwards to the way that I want it to be. And this comb came with the kit, so I'm just gonna use it and comb up. This glue dries very fast because it's already kind of set. Like, it's already set in place, so it's kind of hard to move it upwards. As you can see, it's kind of not budging already. Okay, so the next step is the actual brow lift. I'm just gonna take a few pumps and then apply it with the Q-tip. Side note, this smells like perm. If you don't like that smell, then I wouldn't recommend getting your brows laminated, because basically brow lamination is perming your brows so that it can stand upwards. Yeah, this smells horrible, but actually, I don't know, it smells horrible, but then again it smells good. I don't know, I'm weird. I like that chemically smell, and it's kind of gross but kind of good. So the kit says leave it on for 5 to 8 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 8 minutes because my brow hairs are thicker, and so that the perm works better, I'm gonna use saran wrap on my brows. I'm just using saran wrap right now so that the perm works better and more effectively. I look crazy. I look so crazy right now. So I'm just setting a timer for 8 minutes right now, and then we can move on to step 2 after this. Okay, so I just wiped off the perm. So this is how it's looking so far. My brows look like check marks. But yeah, so this is how it's supposed to look. The next step is to actually set it with the step number 2. So this is step number 2. I'm just gonna apply that to my brows now and leave that on for another 8 minutes. So I just finished applying the brow set. So now I'm gonna count down to 8 minutes and then we'll go from there. Okay, so 8 minutes is up. Now I'm just gonna remove the brow set. And then just take a damp napkin and just wipe it off. I just want to show you the end result right now. I'm gonna brush them up for you guys. So if I didn't explain it earlier, brow lamination does give you that bushy effect for your brows. Brow lamination actually makes it so that your brow can go in any direction and it can stay in that direction that you put it, which I think is amazing because lately I've been obsessed with that bushy look. Bushy brows and glass skin is like the new trend, I feel like. So you really just gotta play with it now at this point. I did notice for the past 2 times, right when you get it done, it's not gonna look the way you want it to, but after days go by, you play around with it some more, you can manipulate it how you want it to be. Because I've noticed when I first got done, I kind of was disappointed. Playing around with it like a few days later, they looked amazing in how I wanted it to be. There is a last step, which is the aftercare, but I'm just gonna do that off camera. There's not really a point to do it on camera, but yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the finished product. If I'm being honest with you guys, you're gonna have to wait a couple of days for it to be at its best and full potential. But yes, this is the most bushiest I can make it for you guys on camera right now. Trust me, in a couple of days you can definitely like pull it more here and then it will be more bushier. I experienced that, so don't be discouraged. Yes, that is the end result. If you guys are thinking about getting your eyebrows microbladed but you're still skeptical about it, I'd recommend doing a brow lamination first, because I actually got my brows microbladed before, but I kind of regret doing that. I wish I just done lamination instead, because I actually do have brow hair. Yes, that is it. Again, I don't recommend doing this at home. Go to a professional. I will leave my friend Katie's links below so that you can go ahead and follow her and make an appointment with her. I believe she is starting to take appointments again. So yeah, just shoot her a text or DM her on Instagram. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. This was my little DIY of brow lamination. What you think? Leave a comment if you like them. So I highly appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll be sure to make some more videos. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye guys.